we'll guide you through how to download and install Iris shaders in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Shaders completely change the look of Minecraft by adding loads of different lighting effects and shadows, so let's go and get started with getting them. So to be clear, Iris shaders is going to go and allow you to go and run shaders. What we then need to do is go and get shader packs. We'll guide you through what you need to know though. So let's go and open up a web browser like this. And then what you want to do is go and type in Iris shaders like so. And you want to come to the site, which is irisshaders.dev. It'll be at the top of Google. Now, what we can then do is go and click download now. You can scroll down and read more about it, but I'll guide you through how you can get it. And what we can then do is go and get the universal jar. So we've now gone and downloaded that there. Next, what we need to do is go and get some shader packs. See, there are different sites you can get them from. In this case, I'll go to a site called CurseForge. So we can go and type that in like so. And what you can then do is come to curseforge.com. Here you can need to go and select Minecraft as there are other mods. Press browse all at the top. And you can then scroll down and we can go and select shaders. There are lots of different shader packs here and they are all going to go and look different. So what you can do is go and click through them and check out how they go and look and choose one you want. In this case, I'll go and get complementary shaders reimagined, and we can go and scroll down and check it out. But to go and get it, press files at the top. Then what we can do is go and get the most up-to-date one. We can come to the right here, press the three dots and press download file like so. Then the download should automatically begin, as you can see. We've now downloaded what we need, but before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. If you need a Minecraft server, I'll link them down below in the pinned comment and the description. And at the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. So you can scroll down here and we can start checking out some of their great features, like one-click install mod packs, 24/7 servers and support, ultra latency, instant setup, and so much more. So if you're interested, you can go and check them out down below. Thanks to them sponsoring this video. So to get started with the install process, we need to come to our downloads just like so, and you need to go and find the Iris installer. What we then need to do is you need to go and double click on it like so, and it should go and open up like this. If it doesn't, perhaps nothing happens or something else opens, it's because we need to get Java. So go and open up a web browser and you need to head to java.com, or you can just go and search for Java and get to the site. And you can then press download Java for desktops and press download again here. It'll then go and download and you need to install it like any other application. After you've installed it, you need to go and right click on the Iris installer, hover over open with and press choose another app. Select Java and press always. Then it should go and run. If it still doesn't, you may need to do something called a jar fix. Select the game version, we'll get the most up-to-date one. We'll select Iris only, you could do Fabric as well, but I'll just do Iris only, and then press install. It'll download and it's now completed. And so then what we can do is go and close out of this and you need to go and open up the Minecraft launcher like so. To the left of play, make sure you've got Iris and Sodium selected and you can go and press play. I've now got into a world. What we can do is go and pause it, press options and video settings. At the top, you need to go and press shader packs. And what you can then do is press open shader pack folder. It'll then go and open up. So what we can do is come to our downloads where we went and downloaded the shader packs. Of course, you could add multiple, make sure shaders are enabled. You can select the pack and then go and press apply. You can see it's reloaded. You can unpause the game and you can see these shaders look absolutely great.